So in that part, yan yung 2 hectares na mall. So as you can see guys, along National Highway lang yung mall natin. So sa likod ng mall, ito na yung Agan Gateway Phase 2. So right here, ang model house natin guys. Super ganda. Ayan. So yung kinuha ng client natin is 137 SQM. Ayan. So since spot cash naman siya, pwede natin siya i-modify guys according sa gusto ni client. So yung actual model house natin is ganito. So from the kitchen to the garage na. Ayan. So pina-sliding door tayo guys. Ang bongga. So pasok tayo. So, ayun guys, dito sa likod ng model house natin, ayan. So, ito pala yung clubhouse or mga amenities natin dito sa subdivision. So, right in front sa mga, sa dalawang unit pa na gi-hold natin is yung amenities. So, baka kayo na guys yung next na titira dito. So by the way, the first subdivision na cherry blossoms din daw yung mga tanim natin. So what are you waiting for guys? Be part of Agan Gateway Phase 2 family. Ayan. So kayo po yung mauuna na i-build yung dream house. Kasi ito po yung first block na uunahin nila na i-build. So, PM na kayo guys sa gustong magpa-reserve ng unit. Ayun. So, just message me guys if you want to visit Agan Gateway Phase 2. Please don't forget to follow our page. Ayan, Gretchen Dale Wangarazo, your licensed real estate agent.